Hold onto your spellbooks because Dungeons & Dragons is stepping into a bold new era and it's doing it without dice. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your place for all the latest tech and gaming news. Wizards of the Coast and Invoke Studios have unveiled Warlock, Dungeons & Dragons, a third-person, single-player action adventure that was officially revealed at the Game Awards 2025. This isn't a quiet spin-off, it's a full-blown reinvention of how DD can feel in a video game. Players step into the boots of Khatri, a hardened warrior who does what every classic warlock does best, makes a dangerous pact for otherworldly power. The game showcases dark magic, shadowy enemies, and high-stakes choices as Khatri battles sinister forces threatening the world. Despite its deep roots in DD lore, the developers are saying this game stands on its own. There's no dice rolling, no overwhelming lore dumps, and no requirement to know your beholders from your Baldur's Gate. Warlock is designed to welcome newcomers while rewarding longtime fans with clever cameos and hidden Easter eggs. Invoke Studios is focused on building an immersive cinematic world that feels more like an adventure than a traditional tabletop adaptation, and to bring Khatri to life, the studio enlisted Trisha Helfer, the award-winning actress known for Battlestar Galactica and Lucifer, delivering full performance capture for maximum realism. A teaser trailer is already fueling the hype, but fans will need patience. Warlock Dungeons & Dragons isn't expected to launch until 2027, making this one worth waiting for. Are you a DD fan? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming updates.